पयलीं इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर लोन कम ग्रांट स्कीम शाळा आशिल्ली, ज्याच्या अंतर्गत प्रायमरी स्कुलाक 50 लाख पर्यंत, सेकंडरी स्कुलाक 100 लाख पर्यंत आणि हायर सेकंडरी स्कूल आसा जाल्यार 200 लाख पर्यंत ग्रांट दिवपाची. There was a scheme of government which ended in 2015, I think, which gave grant between 50 to 2 crores, depending on schools, for infrastructure. Unluckily, at that time, special schools were missed out. There are about 22 special schools in Goa, which also technically deserve this support. But by that time the scheme was over, and since special schools are different dispensation, they were not getting covered under that. So today Cabinet took a decision to extend that scheme only for special schools. I am underlining this. Please don't make a wrong headlines on this. No normal school will be considered under this scheme. The cabinet decision is to grant same facilities to a special school only. Special schooलाचे special children तांकां ते जो facility support बी दिवपाचो आसा त्या संदर्भात फुडल्या 2 म्हयन्यांत नोव्हेंबरांत केन्ना तरी government, after interacting with the concerned NGOs and operators who are running the schools, will modify earlier instructions. हे हांव क्लियर करता. तो म्हणजे रिहेबिलिटेशनाचेर 14 प्रोजेक्ट एफेक्टेड फॅमिलीज एट मोपा तांकां थंय जमीन घेवन त्या जमीन रिहेबिलिटेट करपाचें पॅकेज एज अ सिंगुलर प्रॉडक्ट has been approved. आता 800 स्क्वेअर मीटर जमीन मेळ्ळी, घर बांदून मेळटलें. कम्युनिटी हॉल आनी स्मशानभूमी जमता जाल्यार CSR एक्टिविटी त्यात करूंक मेळटल्या, जमता जाल्यार. बट जमली ना जाल्यार आमी करतले. आनी बाकीची एरिया पळय ती गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन उरतली, पण ती तांकां ग्रेजिंग ग्रावंड म्हणून, कारण डंगर फॅमिली आहा, ग्रेजिंग ग्रावंड म्हणून ती रिजर्व आसतले. चरण्याचे कुरण